Hey guys, what's up? It's Mr. Crayfish and welcome back. Welcome back to some more device mod development. Oh god. Hey guys, welcome. Some guy, I think Jake was like, wow, early stream. This is my normal time. This is my normal time to stream. I've just been late with the other ones. I've been late with the other ones that I got into a schedule of being late. But this is the normal time that I usually like to stream. It's usually 10 or 10:30. So they're the usually times that I stream. Just because if I stream later, then it starts going into the afternoon, and I don't like it. I want to have streams in the morning only. I usually stream at 10:30, 11. Kind of. It's usually my kind of goal is to be like 10, 11:30 type situation. Someone already coming in hot with a cheese hype. Somebody already coming in hot with a cheese hype. So what we are doing today, guys, is we are working on more colored devices, and we're finishing off what we did yesterday. Now I have done some work off stream. You would have known if you followed on my Discord. If you go into commits here, you can see that I've posted a bunch of commits here. But we're going to check out the updated progress so far. How's everybody doing right now? How's everybody doing? We're not doing cheese hype yet. We're not doing cheese hype yet. No cheese hype yet. No unannounced cheese hype. Everyone's doing good. Oh god, Redstone Master coming in, trying to force the cheese hype to happen. All right, you guys asked for it. Let's go ahead. Let's do a quick cheese hype to start off this live stream today. So if you guys don't know what to do, simply type in hashtag cheese hype into the chat, and then then add a bunch of cheese emojis along with it. Let's do a cheese hype in 3, 2, 1. Oh god, the cheese hype is real. The cheese hype is real right now. Oh god. What a way to start the day. Cheese. That's a way to start the day. I'll tell you that right now. That is a way to start the day. That gets me awake every single day, you know, guys? That gets me awake every single day. Someone post that super chat with a cheese emoji. That gets me awake. That gets me awake for years. Oh, plus. Oh, I forgot to show this off. I'm like drinking it completely the wrong way as well. Can our sponsors right now get us a derpy crayfish? Can our sponsors right now get us a derpy crayfish? You know what to do, sponsors. Get us a derpy crayfish. Redstone Master, that's a big shuck. Yeah. A derpy crayfish. Alright. So, yeah, I've done a little bit of progress since yesterday. Also, if you notice, above, we've also got all the donations. We have all the super chat donations showing. So your name will show up there if you actually have donated. Even if you've done like $1 or something like that, it will show up there. So, that's pretty cool and stuff. And you can also see who the top donator is, which is pretty cool. How do you get a derpy Mr. Crayfish? You have to be a sponsor. So sponsors get custom emojis. So they get the derpy crayfish, and they also get the big shuck icon, which I might change around. I'm going to be changing it around from time to time. I think the derpy crayfish will stay. I think the big shuck I'm going to change around to something else. Not sure what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll do cheese and crackers. Like an actual cheese and cracker icon. Because I got one. I got one that I should use. Oh god. Alright, so here we go.
Nana.
Nana. Redstone Master. Oh god. Cheers for the super chat there, dude. I saw you put the crayfish, derpy crayfish with it, but I can't say it out for some reason. But yeah, we got colored devices. So have a look at all this, guys. Look at this. We got an orange, got a magenta, light blue, yellow, lime, pink. Which color do you want? Which color do you want in the chat? Let me know in the chat right now which color you would have. But have a look at them all. Have a look at them all in here. So we got all the colors available that you can actually get for every single device. So we got the laptop, routers, the printer, flash drives. So yeah, this creative inventory is absolutely like full now with devices, but it's only because they're different colors. And as well, what my vision is for the crafting process is that once you actually set a color, you can't change it. Like I want it to kind of be like that. Like you have to like be careful when you craft it and choose the right color. So if you want a yellow laptop, 100% make sure you want a yellow laptop. People said, oh my god, colored laptops. Yeah, dude. Purple, blue, cyan, orange, Redstone Master. Oh my god. Oh yeah, that's funny. Redstone Master is the blue laptop. Do purple. Looks real nice, Cray. Cheers, Jake. So let's get the purple one out here. Oh yeah, okay, we gotta fix that up. So right now, I haven't made it so you place it down and it updates it. We're just gonna fix that up. That's pretty simple to do, to be honest. Printer. We got colored routers. We got colored everything. So, you know, you want a colored router, you can do that. If you want a colored USB, you can do that, which is pretty cool. They look cool. Orange USB. So it just, you know, there's a bit more personalization to the mod, but it also feels like it adds a lot to it as well. So that's kind of cool too. I'm not sure what colored laptop I would use. Like the red one is the OG one. The red one is the OG one. Who would still use the OG laptop right now? Who would still use the OG laptop? And if you guys think that these colored laptop and devices are cool right now, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button. We need it snapped right in half. And hopefully you're excited for the rest of this live stream today, as we continue to flesh out some bugs. We flatten out some bugs. Sorry, we flatten out some bugs. Yes. You need a claw on the back crate. Oh yeah, we can probably do that today. Actually, we can probably do that today. Put the crayfish icon on the back. That'd be so cool. Like crayfish branded laptops. That'd be really cool. Squash some bugs. Custom laptop cases with printer maybe? What? Make it colored? What do you mean? Alright, so what we're going to do right now is we're actually going to make it so when we actually place it, it actually has the color, because right now it doesn't actually do that. Super chat coming in from Redstone Master. I only have the printer and laptop. How do I fix it? Is it like the actual... What version are you using? Are you actually running it in a dev environment with the API, or you actually got the proper 1.12 release version that I released I think 2 weeks ago now? Let me know what's going on there, Redstone Master.
I only have the printer, and do I fix it?
Well, I contributed 2 likes on the same account, but different phones. It's probably not. It's probably only one account. Hey, what's up, Austin TV? How you doing? I see you there. I see you there. And I see all the I see all the regulars. Like, I know we got sponsors, but I do see the other regulars. Oh yeah, you probably haven't cloned the correct branch. That could be why. I'm on 1.12.2. Are you using a dev environment, or are you using the actual normal release? No. Okay. Well, in the normal release, you should have the laptop, the printer, and the USB. That's all you should have. The laptop, the printer, and the USB. The router isn't in it yet, because that is something I added after the release. Hi, it's Noodle Planet. I am on my mum's phone. Hey, what up, dude? I remember you from yesterday. Hey, Cray, would you rather eat cheese or crackers for the rest of your life? That's not even a question. That is not even a question, Dynamite Doritos. That is a flippin' yes. That is a flippin' yes. Just for the rest of my life? Eat cheese and crackers? Of course. Who wouldn't? Who wouldn't? Some guy's like, nah. I'd rather eat water. When will there be a final release? I can't say right now. The mod's still in pretty, like, there's a lot of stuff still happening to the mod. I still gotta flesh, like, the release of the mod, right? The release of the actual mod has gotta mean everything's, like, perfect. Like, the API has to be perfect. Every feature has to be perfect. Bugs have to be ironed out. I've got to have everything that I wanted in this mod in it. So it could be a while, but you know, stick with the live streams, join us, hang out, because this is where you get to guys see all the progress that happens to this mod, and I think it's just fun. It's a good time hanging out. Like, I'm gonna look like, seriously guys, we're up to live stream 60. I remember we're up to live stream 50, and I'm like, this is gonna go so quick. We're up to live stream 60 right now, guys. Live stream 60. Can we get some hype in the chat? Live stream 60 hype. That is crazy. Like, I've done all those live streams. That's crazy.
Damn it, Gray. I just woke up. Time for coffee, 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 coffee.
6 coffees.
And cheese.
Fabby50 having 6 coffees and a piece of cheese. Cheers there, Fabby50 for the super chat. You need some kaffifi, dude. You need some kaffifi. I have to pause the chat, which is annoying. So
let's have Cray-oni and cheese. Comma cheese, 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 cheese.
Let's have Cray-aroni and cheese. What's aroni? Cray-aroni. 60 hype. You. Good luck with development, Cray. Hashtag hype 60. Cheers there, Dynamite. Alright, so how this works is that when we place it down, it should update the value. Now, how we're actually updating the tile entity is remember you. So this could be a little bit difficult. So item block, we need to go to the item. So it's an item block, but it uses the built-in functions. So we can probably get away with looking at how it works. Place block out, set tile entity, MBT. Do we get any sort of message, any sort of way to oh, I know what we can do. Maybe we need to set an initial tag on it. We need to set an initial tag on it. How do we set an initial tag? Unblock placed by. Okay, so unblock placed by. Me. How, like, I swear, like, by the time that this mod is released, we're gonna have, like, over 1,000 commits on this project easily. Easily. Like, we're almost up to 700 right now. I think we are up to 700 if we added everything up. Maybe even close to 800. It's just like everything's off in different branches right now. Make it when you open the router, it asks you to buy a special social media package since they voted to remove net neutrality. Yeah, to use this router costs $5, you know, $4.99. For it to be bug free, it's another $10. For the printer to work correctly, it's $15. Otherwise, you're gonna have random moments where it spits out the paper, it misses, it prints wrong, it doesn't even print at all. Why did you change the fart sounds in your furniture mod? I didn't. I don't think I did. Sorry, Cray, but unfortunately I'm going to have to leave the stream. That's alright, Dynamite. Thanks for coming along. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Let me into your heart. So we need to do... I think... set color. Stack. In by meta. Stack. Get meta. Alright, that should work. I wanna be the one who hold you. New item stack. This one. Oh. One. Laptop get color. I think that's how it works. Oh, we don't even have to do that then. We just do that. Oh god, we've got an update for you. Windows is a service, and updates are a normal part of keeping it running smoothly. We need your help installing this one. Ready? Restart now. Okay! I'll restart while I'm doing a live stream. Pick a time. Pick a time. Six PM. Oh, let's not do it then. 12 PM. 12 AM midnight. Tomorrow. Luckily for us, this is a programming stream and not a singing stream. I'm glad. I didn't string that. I don't sing at all. What are you talking about? What does the router do? It basically allows you to connect up devices together and create like a network, and it's required, like, let's say you want to print, right? You're gonna have to find that printer to print wirelessly, you need to actually have it connected to a router. So you connect your laptop to the router, you connect the printer to the router, then you can actually see printers that are in your network. Kind of like how a real one works. You can't just magically connect your desktop to a printer. You need to, you know, use a router, a Wi-Fi signal. You used to have old fart sounds and now they're realistic. I don't know. I don't feel like I changed them. Can you use Ethernet to directly connect the printer to the laptop? So it's not like there is an Ethernet cable, but it's not used in that way. It's used in a way that is just for connecting devices to the router. But no, you can't actually connect directly to a printer. You need to get a router, unfortunately. But yeah, I'll be improving things in the future. Oh, is Redstone Master leaving? Redstone Master! Oh, who's leaving? I don't know who's leaving. Alright. Is Redstone Master actually leaving? I don't know. See yo. Wouldn't wanna be yo. Hey, what up, King Yoshi? I mean, I forgot to say hey to you. I just read out your message, but I want to say hey, what's up? Ugh. Oh god, I gotta mention this yesterday. Damn, this is crazy. I think who was it? It was Lemon Squeezy. Lemon Squeezy came in hot with a nuke. Came in hot with a nuke yesterday and exploded our jar. I think he did like a $50 donation, which is absolutely insane. And it literally exploded the jar. It was like it was a hot nuke. It was a hot nuke. I forgot all about night mode on the desktop, but it is so nice. Yeah, it's good. I use it. Alright, so hopefully we fixed it up with that. With this, it should work. Let's reload the game up here. Let's see if it worked. Did Redstone Master actually leave? Oh no, he's still here. Rip Redstone Master. I'm sad. He's like, I'm still here. I'm still here. My stupid dancing. My stupid dancing. I'm the best dancer in the world. Red. Spell red. He said bye. He just said bye with no context. He just said bye. Cray, what is timestamp to nuke? For the nuke, it was yesterday right at the end of the live stream. Red. LSTER. Is that your final answer? Yep. So we should be able to place down the laptop now. Woo, baby. Yep, baby. Look at that. That's beautiful. Let's place down this one. Oh no, these won't work yet. Alright. So we're just gonna do these for the other ones. Oh. We don't need to do that. Oh, we don't need to do that. Like, this should... hold up. We should be doing, like, what we're doing on the laptop. Like, printers should just drop. Because, like, printers... Once you place down a printer... Yeah. Yeah. You feel like horrible. Sorry, got to go. See you later, Luke. Instead of use metadata, would it be better to use MBT? No, because there's no way to change the inventory render based on the color on MBT. You have to use metadata, and it's you can't use if I like, yeah, I could use MBT, but then I won't be able to have separate item renders. That's the only way I can do it. So wasn't there? Ah. You make me feel... I'm not gonna fix this up right now. Okay, so this is Dawn and this, right? So we should just better copy this from laptop. Whoops. So I should just be able to do that. That's how I want the printer to work. Let's fix that up then. Tile. Yeah, it's nothing, yeah, pretty much a universal method. Okay. Alright, get rid of this. These are all very common code, and I might actually make this another a block here that already has all these implemented, because like I'm just copying and pasting the same code all over again. Sometime we did teach us how to build your mansion. One day, I reckon. Will you make an application with 3D model thingy for a 3D printer? Yeah, I've already mentioned that before. That's what I'm going to be doing in the future. I mentioned that clearly in yesterday's live stream. Coffee, add coffee into the mod. Coffee isn't a device. I should just add coffee for the actual, like, add a cup of Java in it. A cup of Java, I think it'd be cool. Who thinks I should add a coffee? I should add coffee into the mod. Because, like, I'm a developer. I'm a developer. Cheese equals yes. Yes, coffee in the mod. Alright. So, I'm just going to quickly go toilet. I'll be back with you guys in a second here. Leave me some suggestions for this mod in the chat, and I'll read them when I actually get back. So, I'll see you guys in a minute here.
Crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly. I can fly. searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies have tried every possibility. Ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, I can fly.
Hey, I'm back. I'm back. Alright, let's test this out now. Welcome back. He ain't dead. Oh my god, hi. Yay. Let's have a look at you guys. It's actually possible to make devices dieable like leather armor in JSON files. You can change a face index value to 0 and making its color able to be changed when dyed. Yeah, it is possible. Do my suggestion, it's written in 3 parts. Well, it was blocked. It was blocked. My Windows Defender just warned me about my device being safe. Dude, you gotta be careful about your device being safe, dude. You know, no viruses. You need a warning, dude. You're being unsafe by being safe, alright? You need to at least get a virus once a month. Otherwise, what's the point of Windows Defender? Cray OS needs an antivirus. Not really. I should be able to place these down. Yep. And we should also be able to place them on the wall. That's what's supposed to happen. Block states router. Oh. How come that didn't rotate? How come that didn't... I don't know, I didn't rotate. X. Why isn't it rotating? Can you not do that there, or am I not doing this right? Yeah, I am loading it up right. Let's try reloading the states. It would also make it easier for new programmers so they don't have to download Eclipse and set up a new workspace. Let's have a look. Make a code editor, and yes, I know Ite is making one, but he hasn't worked on it for 2 months, and we all know you would have to have it done in 2 weeks. Maybe. Yeah. Why isn't this... It's not taking into consideration this value. What happens if I change this around? Does it even consider that? Yeah, it does. Alright, so that's working. But it doesn't like this value. Let's put that first. Just make sure model router isn't doing anything weird. Router vertical. Nah, not really. Because the model is not block state. In love. Young Greg is eating a crayfish. What? How come the server's going offline later today? I think it's like something to do with the host. It's nothing to do with, you know, myself or any of us. Why doesn't it consider that? Let's have a look into Forge block states. Forge block state JSON. Lemon Squeeze has gone completely crazy with donations, I know. Variants. normal. Oh, did I do this wrong? I know it's array, whoops. The default is default. The default section is optional. Okay, so I don't need that.
Look into my eyes, my heart beats like a drum. You listen to my lies. Love is far to come. Your love is far. Running at the speed of light, kissing under city lights. Calls me in this morning, till my day just goes on. Running at the speed of light, kissing under city lights. Calls me in this morning, till my day just goes on.
Model. Am I just doing it wrong? Because like, I should be able to just do that. Oh, maybe facing. No. True, false. The last time I donated, Cray almost fell out of his seat because how loud the volume was. Oh my god, I remember that. That was so loud. I'm sad I can't think any creative thoughts. What is it called? Artist's block? I may be wrong, but shouldn't it be -90 be in the brackets? It is in the brackets. I don't know how to... Because like, okay, you say the variant, so we have vertical, then you give the possible values, so we're doing that the same for here, so facing as north, east, south, west. So vertical, true, and then you change any of the model stuff that you want. So you can say the model should be able to change the Y. Let's try Y. Just for testing. Please add drones. Oh my god. Huh. How come that's not? I gotta look into this more. Submodel. To show these are submodels of the create a model that has different variants. Each variant we use submodels to create. Oh no, don't worry. True and false. Why is it not working? What type of rotation am I trying to do? I'm trying to rotate the x-axis. Because it's a vertical router, so it needs to be rotated up. Because I designed it being flat, and then simply just rotate it upwards. Let's have a look here if I just do like something like this. So that works. See, it works in that definition, but when I put it inside of here, it doesn't. Maybe let's put this after it. I know that seems strange, but it might help. Rather doing X90 do that. That doesn't make sense though. It doesn't make sense. There's no parent. What's the parent tag? What's the parent tag gonna be? Model. What's the original block states? Paper. Model. It's already in a bracket, look. We're already inside of a bracket. It's just how it's formatted. That's not how it works, because it's exactly the same as down when I do here. I got a game my fans about today. See you later, new to planet. Please do how to make a mod for 1.12. Your tutorials helped me for years. Young Greg is eating a crayfish. Yeah, I don't get why this doesn't want to rotate. I'll have a look. Normal. Yeah, I don't know. Because that should be working. There's no like errors or anything. And like I can do it here, right? Put in the facing. There's no way to merge these. Let's go for block state X rotation. Block state rotation. X tag. Let's have a look. The only other way I can do it is to actually rotate my model, but then that's going to be like a pain because I build it to be flat. There's an enum facing for all directions, but it doesn't support that though. Because like we're already using the north facing just to determine the rotation of it. We need to actually have a vertical property to see if it tests if it's vertical. Alright, hold up. Maybe we have something here. Variant. Model textures X. Vanilla rotation compatible only multiple degrees. See vanilla specification. It should just be X variant. So you should be able to do model textures X, Y, this transform, UV lock, weight. Let's just reload the whole entire game and see if that fixes. Maybe we do the there's like a transform tag. Root transform. I know that's different. What the heck is that outside? Alright, hopefully you guys can't hear that too well. Hopefully the music masks it. My model can't rotate instantly. Love. This is my love for this channel. Cheers. I think your bird just chirped with a song on one beat a second ago. Transform. Nah, that's not right. Model. Angle 90. Oh, maybe this has to be 270. It might only allow positive values, which would make sense. I like how crayfish head almost always bounces out of the jar. It really does. Oh god, it's kind of getting full today. If you guys are new around here and you're enjoying this live stream today, make sure you go ahead and subscribe because it actually fills up with the jar. It actually fills up the jar. Alright, I forgot to reload. Nope. Why isn't it loading in that? Alright, let's just get rid of that. See what this does. Whoa. I mean, in a way, that's a good sign. because now it's saying it's not. Alright, let's reload the game and see what it says on startup. I think it's because it's missing a model. So defaults. Defaults. Model equals router. Then we'll just get rid of this. Whoops. Alright, stop. Let's reload. Yeah, my Cray. What? Like they always say, you can always learn from your pancakes. Everybody pray for Cray for this to work. Thank you. Yesterday I watched people explode a watermelon with a capacitor. Today I watched the parrot sing to drowning pools' bodies. I think I've seen that video. I think I've seen that one. Yeah, all the crayfish heads bounce out of the jar almost. Still doesn't want to rotate. Why? So I'm guessing that in oh my god. Let's have a look. I don't get why it doesn't work. Did it give us any errors when we started up the game? Nah. Is that like an invalid value? Let's have a look. Forge block state version 1. Let's have a look here. So this is where it deserializes it. So it could be a little bit confusing here. Variants. Variance. Array of fully defined variance is JSON array. We may be in for a little trouble here. Model, state, UV lock, smooth. Submodels, custom data. I think it's to do with the fact, I don't know. Have a look. So variant should have a model location, model set false. Okay, don't worry. State. Submodel. We need to find the deserializations part. I think we can do as vertical 1 model router. I think you can do vertical 1. What does that mean? What's vertical 1? Just a value you can decide yourself, I believe. Let me find the deserialization part. There's deserialization, okay. Get. Block. Okay, here's something a bit better. So here is a good sign. So if JSON has X or Y, and this is a variant, alright, let's have a look. So if we do that, we should be able to see the X value. And we should be able to see what JSON is as well. Alright, what's JSON? Y0. Alright. 90, 180, 270, element members. I think it's going to take longer than normal. I'll say condition X doesn't equal to 0. We could use opportunity to use the settings to change laptop colors. How laptop colors are going to work is when you actually craft it. When you craft it, you'll set the color and that will be the permanent color. I'm not going to allow it to be changed afterwards. That's just how I personally think it should work. So it's strange, it loaded it up. Loaded it up correctly. But like... I don't know, I think it's a bug with forge dates. Seems like a bug. Where does state get set? State. Does state get overridden? Transform. Because like see down here, state, and it could get overridden. Default block, default item, else. I feel like it's getting overridden. Let's get rid of this. Too many forge bugs. Like, it said I could do it, but I don't know why it's not letting me do it. Alright, load the game. Penguin song now? No! No penguin song! Ugh. No penguin song here. Because like this state thing keeps getting overridden. So if Jason has transform, I think yeah, I'm not sure what's going on, but seriously, after you fix this bug, can you please add drones? It's not a simple 1-2 task, dude. It's not a simple 1-2 task. I don't think I'm going to be adding drones yet. There's a lot more other things that I gotta do. Fabby50 coming in with the penguin song. No!
Penguin, cheese, penguin.
Oh my god.
Cheese, penguin, cheese, penguin, cheese, penguin, cheese, penguin, cheese, penguin, cheese, penguin, cheese, penguin.
My god.
Penguin, cheese, penguin.
Cheers there, Fabby50.
Cheese.
Cheers there, Fabby50, for the super chat of penguin and cheese. Oh god. Let's try this. State, okay, so never gets here, so that's a good thing. My guess it's not using the correct model. Let's have a look. This might be the problem here. Vertical true facing west. Facing west. Lime, okay. Optional of combine X and Y. Alright, so we want it should get the 90 ones. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, we need security on our laptops. I accidentally stumbled upon a phallic object drawn on someone's laptop on the server. Oh god. Yeah, I think I saw it, dude. I went on there. Oh my god. Of course it was gonna happen. Of course it was gonna happen. I knew it. Normalize angle. What does this return? What does this return? It's gonna be very bad because this does it for everything, maybe. We'll see. 360. Zero 360. That's pretty bad. Model rotation. Possibly we have to specify X and Y. I don't know. No, it wouldn't make sense. We might have to change how it works. Like for router, right? Yeah. Okay. Alright, so I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch it yet. Alright, discard. Discard. We're not gonna touch it. But at least we can actually place down colored devices now. We'll fix this issue up later on. I'm not sure if it's a bug with Forge. But I'll post like a question up. If not, I'll post a question up on Minecraft forum. If I don't get a response or I'm doing something wrong, then I'll fix it up. But for now, yeah, I'm not sure. I am not sure. Penguin song now. Alright, so that's working. Happy about that. So we'll say commit that with fixed. That's not being the color. You're dead to me. Play please, game rule. Alright, there we go. The ultimate setup. What up, loons? What is this spam? Oh my god. Ooh, pretty colors, yeah. Yeah, loons, we got colors into this now. So, one thing we're gonna do as well. How much time is live stream we got left? Got half an hour. Half an hour should be able to do it. Alright, so one thing that doesn't work yet is that when we actually get a USB and plug it in, it's like a white one, doesn't actually have the color, so we're gonna fix that up. So when we actually right click, I think it's either flash drive, okay, no, it's not, it's when we right click it with this. Set attached drive. Ah, here we go. Attached drive. Private. Equal null. I'll say attached drive color equals by meta flash drive get meta. Alright, so we do that. We need to load external drive. Where do we save this? To tag. Ah, here we go. We'll make this default red. Red. Set tag. Set byte. get meta. Right. I think that's how I did it. Let's have a look at laptop. Whoa! Oh god.
B B B B B B. Bird. 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 Bird.
You should just do tons of those bees. That sounded funny.
Bird.
Oh god.
Bird. 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 Bird.
I can't hear the bird.
Bird. Bird.
Get die damage. Oopsie. We'll do get meta. Instead. Say buy meta. Instead. Hi Cray, how are you? I'm doing good, Noodle. You're back, I'm guessing. What's your guys' favorite color? I know you guys are a bunch of answering that right now. What's your favorite color right now of the laptops? Alright, right sync drive. Set byte. External drive color. Get attached drags. Let's do it above. Let's do it on here. Attached drive color. Alright. And then we read that. External drive color. Say external drive color. Say byte. We could even get rid of this, right? Because then we can just, when we actually write it, has external drive. We'll say if do it down here. If get file system dot get attached drive. So null. We need an else too. We'll say here just -1. How do you do a byte value? Say -1. So we can get rid of that. External drive color is get byte. Alright. What's wrong? External drive color doesn't equal to that's not good. Alright. So we'll say if top it equals -1. Null. I'll say get external drive color. Whoops, time to laptop. At side only. Alright, make sure that we're doing these correctly. External drive attached. That's bad. Set item, flash drive, 1. Alright, let's go build. Right to MB2. Alright, that's something we gotta fix up later on. Alright, byte. We can do that. Oh god, the jar is actually getting full. If you guys are new around here, go ahead, subscribe right now. See if we can fill up that jar with some subscriber heads right now. And if you guys are enjoying this live stream so far as well, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right now. We need it snapped right in half. Woo! Yeah! You're still live streaming? Wow, yeah, we got 20 more minutes for the live stream, guys. 20 more minutes on the live stream. Do you work for Mojang? No, I don't. Ah, what the? Hey, Phased, what up? Phased, what up? Phased, what up? Alright, so we should be able to, if we just reload the game. He too good for Mojang. I actually get stuff done. I actually put effort and detail into every single thing I add. I can't work at Mojang. I don't think I've ever watched a stream without asking that question. Alright, let's get rid of that. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. Yes. So we should be able to quit. I don't think I've actually saved this correctly. Alright, yeah, no, okay, we didn't do that. Okay, cool. Alright, so don't worry about that. Alright, so external drive color. So external drive color and that type of stuff. This here is all determined by the file system. So I don't need to write it in here to save it, but what I do need to do is in the file system. I believe this. Why doesn't this get saved? Or it does. Oh no, it does. Okay. It's the color doesn't get saved. Oh no, the color's not loaded. The color is not loaded here. So attached drive color should equal. We'll do a check here instead because we do have a default red color. External drive color. Overtime live stream? It's not overtime yet. I was thinking of trying to mess around with your laptop and add something, but I feel like what I wanted to add would probably be super complicated to do in Minecraft. What did you want to do, dude? So let's check this. And orange. Ooh. Ooh. I think we set the wrong thing. Hold up. When we save it. External drive color. I hear Michael Jackson outside. Thought of it just before you mentioned your webpage thing, but ran the actual real web pages. Ah, yes. Super difficult. People have already attempted it. People have tried rendering swing components to a buffered image, but it was very sketchy. Cray, should I go on a thought patrol? What's poppin' B? Should have got a thought patrol. Oh my god. Yes. Go on a thought patrol. Why didn't that save correctly? Uh-oh. So it should be orange. But it goes to yellow. It goes to lello. Yeah. So that's 1. That's 4. There's no need to scream and shout. Unless it's something to do with me using bytes. Let's just try. Which it might be. Oopsie, no, it'll work straight off the bat. I'll be back in a couple of minutes, gotta spot some thoughts. Alright, dude. Report to me how it went. Far as I can see. Ah! I think, forgot to change something up here. Oh, no, that's right. Go. Alright, let's start the game. Let's reload it up from scratch. Whoa! We're a new subscriber. Filled up the jar a little bit there. Oh god. It is now getting full. I wonder if we can make it actually overflow instead of exploding and make it overflow. I've seen some things for C++ are rendering to a texture, but not for Java. I guess it could be possible to do with JNI for it. Yeah, I've never worked JNI, so... Yeah, you're asking the wrong person. I wouldn't know if it would work or not. Let's fix it returning the wrong... Remove attached drive. 1. Let's see if that works. Alright, that works. Yoink! So I don't know why this doesn't work properly. Air! Now I didn't even save it. Alright, so it should be a Lelo USB. Heart on fire. Oh, maybe potentially because... where is it? Set attached drive. We'll go tile entities set. Mark dirty. Mark it dirty, boys! Unless it does it here. You go here, time mark dirty. Mark block for update. Or do we have sync? Sync it. Let's get rid of that. Sync should mark it as dirty. Yeah, it does. Alright. Sean, how's the thought patrolling going? Have you arrested any thoughts? Alright, so it's a blue one. Alright, it's blue still. Alright, that's good. It's a good sign. What about lime? What about my lime? Yeah, it works. We could also change this to oh, oopsie, we'll go laptop. We should really make this more of like a put it into laptop set attached drive. Is that a thing? Set attached drive. What does it need to be? An item stack. So I'll say get file system set attached drive, flash drive. We forgot to do checking here. And flash drive dot get item equals instance of item flash. Oh no, we already have done that. Whoops. We did that in actual block here. We'll say tile set attached drive. That. Say boolean here. Say if set attached drive. This will be return true. Return false. But we want to do some extra stuff here. We're going to do a pipeline. Set external drive color flash drive get metadata. I think we'll say sync. That should be good. Because then we don't have to send all the data, we only send what we need to send. I'm gonna change this whole to integer. Mind you, it didn't seem to be a problem before. Oh, let's have a look. Set byte. We'll see. Could use the code from the leather armor for the color on the USBs. No. So do that. So set attached drive.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons.
I think we need to have a return as well. Ah, we could have done that. Hold up. Get rid of that. Alright. Set attached drive. Then we need to have, what's this tile entity? Where does this get called? I'll say tile entity laptop. Set attached drive. I'm going to do tile entity. Protected. Yeah, get pipe. Whatever. Get pipeline, set byte, external, drive, color. Alright, so that should be good. Could you make a USB RAID attachment? What? Oh god, Techie Data, what are you doing? No! Oh!
Mom's heart.
I stole it, Mum's card. Techie Data, what are you doing? Put it back! Put it back! Oh my god, Lemon Squeezy is down at $335. Alright, let's get rid of that. It's not even letting us do that. Hold on. Let's double check. Not even getting. I'm getting cold. Alright, something's wrong here. We need to reload. Ah, it's because the code's broken, don't worry. The cup should say funds for cheese and crackers or something like that. It does. It says cheese and cracker supplies. Sean said, I spotted a couple and some of them vanished before I could get before I could go full tard and throw a fidget spinner at them. Good thought hunting. Good thought hunting. We must, oh god, I got a call. Hold up guys, I'll be back in a sec. Oh, hello. I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to take a call real quickly. You know. Adults. No, not really adult stuff. Yeah, it was, I know. I'm ashamed to say it, but it was actually my mum. It was my mum that called me. She was like, hey, crayfish. Crayfish. I need you. It was Mama Crayfish. Mama Crayfish calling me. It was Mama Crayfish. I'm still not an adult. I am. But that should work. Let's have a look. Just double checking like if everything like, you know. There we go. YouTube saved my mum's card and I remember the CVC. Techie! Techie! No more. No more of that. No more of that, alright? As long as I have a parent, I'm still not an adult, is what I heard from your logic, Mr. Crayfish. Pretty much. Alright, so... Fixed. Fixed. Yeah, whatever. Alright, there we go. So many new additions. So many new additions. I really need to clean up a bunch of code as well. So, see how we have block, laptop, block printer, block router. They all do block horizontal. So we're gonna have a new Java class, block device. It's gonna extends block horizontal. All right. And then we need to get rid of clean up a bunch of things here. So we can have like this in here. I think it is full block. I'll deal with that issue later on, don't worry. So that's very common stuff there. This is common too. Oh, all this is common actually. Except for that. That's common. We could create like a method to change that, so it could be like public or protected void remove tags, remove tags for drop source. Tile. Remove tags for drop, so we could do something like this. So this is a this is more of like a common thing. Oh, we got a super chat. Oh god! No!
Bird.
Beep, 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 beep. You exploded it, kind of. You exploded it, kind of. It wasn't a nuke. It just exploded it, kind of. It's still on the kind of the same level. Cheers there for the super chat, though. An attachment that you can connect the computer's USB port, and you plug in 4 USB drives, and that would combine the storage capacity of them. It's like a USB hub. A USB hub. So I might have colorable. I'm going to say tile entity right like that. Get rid of that. Here we'll do remove tags from drop, tile entity. And then we'll say colorable, get color. It's a blank. Method, only if you want to implement it. Get state for placement. I think this is common. Let's have a look. Printer. Yep. Yep. Alright, so get that. Oops. That's common. Oh. Oh, well, we can override that, don't worry. Let's go to laptop. Let's copy this one out. This is the common one. The most common one. If you need to override it, we can do that. I'll steal mom's credit card again if you don't answer me. Can you do an updated tutorial on how to make apps? Yeah, I'm gonna do one in the future, don't worry. Like, the only problem is that the API keeps changing, so I always have to redo the first tutorial. So that's why I haven't done one in a while, but like, the previous old ones should be valid. You just have to, you know, change around a little bit of code. Alright, so this is all going to be up to the person who implements it. Alright, so block laptop. Block device. Let's get rid of a bunch of stuff here. Makes this a lot better as well. Because now we get rid of this, this. Remove tags for drop. We can just simply do tile into tag, remove tag, open, get rid of this, get actual state, I don't worry about that, get rid of this, now it's looking better. We can put that as well into here. That doesn't need to be static. We can make this in here. We just have to change this. That doesn't need to be casted. this we just say super get state from meta. Alright, there we go, it's a lot cleaner. The printer, we can get rid of this. We should also pop this into here. Let's just have a look. Super.create. Is it get properties? Put, set, add. Alright, better just to override it if you need extra. So printer as well, we get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of this, get rid of that, get rid of that. It's very nice that we can do that. Reduces this size a lot, get rid of those. We need to fix up all this later on. Actually, so this here we need to just do keep this, just grab with property vertical, that, there's nothing special about this, nope, nope, get rid of those. Alright, yeah, keep those. Say super get state from meta. Keep this. I think it was it was this where we didn't even need to do anything to it. So I can actually restore that back to that. The router that I'm still cleaning up. I'll get rid of those. Much more cleaner now. That's what I like to see. This still has to be cleaned up a little bit. So it shouldn't have changed anything. We're just gonna rebuild. And we're hashtag overtime livestream right now, guys. Half an hour over the time. Oh my god. have a look what's going on. Why not die like a die couch? I was about to ask if this was an overtime live stream after coming back to here after 20 minutes. Oh god, crash. Alright, hold up. Get actual state. Is that a thing in every single one? Get actual state. No. I know what it is. Block router. Forgot to actually update this. Hey Mr. Crayfish, I'm back. What's upgraded? Oh my god, what's going on? Exception in initialize handler. Ah, here we go. Base screen. Block laptop. Whoops. Type. My bad. Can you do an update tutorial how to make apps in like 4 days? I don't think I can. I don't think I'm going to do. Oh, I don't know. We'll see. I might be able to do it. I'm back. I had brought young Greg to watch over me for you. Overtime, baby. You guys follow me on Instagram? Who follows me on Instagram here? Who follows me on the Instagrams? Alright, so everything should work perfectly normal. Oh, we gotta fix up that issue. Pick blocking doesn't return the correct color. So that was just an optimization to all the code. Let's make sure we got no unused imports. Here we do. So we should be able to do something like this. Ah, it doesn't return the right color either. Yeah, we'll have to fix that up. Alright. Optimized device. Optimized block code. Improved device block code. Alright. Ka-ching. Pick block. Get pick block. Return. Tile entity. Whoops. Return. New item stack. Get item from block this one. Tile. Oopsie, tile entity. Get metadata. So that should fix up that problem. You're looking for the word refactored. Refactored. Red. Oh damn, didn't realize so many people replied to that. The laptop should show what is on it. Not that easy. Where's the popping sound? It's this. Ooh. So we should get a brown laptop. Yep. Cool. Pink. Yep. Green. Perfect. Then when we actually do that, we should actually get MPT version of it. Cool. Cool. He'll say fixed pick blocking not returning device with fixed pick not returning with color whatever. It's too long, but alright, so that's good. What else do we need to fix up on it? I don't know. Let's get like a color set of laptops here. Let's create the ultimate setup real quickly. The ultimate setup. The ultimate setup. Is FaZe still here? Oh yeah, still here. FaZe, what up? I'm gonna get the lime one out. I'm gonna get the lime out, dude. Ooh. 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 Oh my god. Look at that. Let's just connect these up easily. that's all Gucci. Oh my god. Oh. Ooh. What do you guys think of that? That looks good. That looks good. Lime green setup right here. What do you guys think? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite one? I love you so much. Can't wait for this mod. I'm going to start a roleplay when this is done, so it's sort of like portable and awesome like your furniture mod. Blue. The lime green looks dope. The lime green actually looks dope. Looks so good. Looks so good. Get some more green. Let's fill it in. Alright, let's just print this out. More green. When will it be released? Soon. Soon, soon, soon. Oh, not the full mod. Just like, you know. Oh my god. The green setup is real. Green LEDs. Oh wow. That's amazing. Best setup 2017. Right there, guys. Best setup 2017. No lie. It says like there's 20 people watching, but then like when I go into participants it says like 3 people. Whoopsie. That's weird. And how did I send a message there? What? Oh no. Yeah, I don't get that, hey. Oh, there we go. Oh, wait. You show colored LEDs that light up different colors based on RGB values. I'm not sure if I can do... I can't really do RGB colors. I can't do LED lights. It's a little bit difficult. It's not that easy. Like best gaming setups in Minecraft. But yeah, there we go. Fixed up that issue. Is there any other issues we didn't fix up? Oh, let's add the green USB to it as well. Oh god, we are kitted out right now. We are kitted out right now, guys. Let's go game mode S real quickly. What we're going to do is try this. So we should be able to break this, grab that. This should technically be disconnected. We should be able to place that back down. This should be connected. Yes, it is. Cool. You have to be in creative mode to trigger it. Still connected. Perfect. Thought it wasn't going to be there for a second. What is that? I don't know. Still all connected. That's what I like about the router. It's all self-management. Not connected anymore. No, probably not connected. Nope. Is this version released? No, it's not. But I might actually pop it out before Christmas for you guys. Might actually pop it out before Christmas for you guys. So if you guys want to see it, let me know. Oh, alright. I don't know if there's anything left that I've got to do on this. If you guys think that there's anything left that I got to do, let me know. Right now. Because I can't think of anything that has to be done. Can't think of anything that has to be done. We could just test if it saves. Test if it saves, but pretty sure everything. The icon for the creative menu. Oh yeah, that's like, I mean that's a part of it, I guess. I don't know. Let's change it now. We still need to fix up the laptop model. That's one thing we haven't done. Because I want to make it look like a laptop. I'm just thinking of. It'd probably be a good idea to actually do it in this branch, but however, I think, well, I'm going to do that later on. I think this is a good time to actually end off this live stream today. We went 40 minutes over time, so you guys get some extra content, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this live stream today. If you did, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right now, show your support. How many likes do we have? How many likes do we have right now? And while you guys are posting that, I'm going to go ahead and start reading out Twitter shoutouts. So let's have a look here, make sure nobody quoted. We got Tron XT always with the support there over on Twitter. Let's go to the retweets. Zoram, yeah, Jellyfish 3, Noodle Planet S3, Joseph 1000, Yaron Ephro, Yasaro Shinwa, Haunted Corpse, Jonna F 2014, Ender Gaming 345, Fabi 50, Austin TV, Blue Barracuda, and Scatter Strike Studios. Thank you guys for your support there over on Twitter. Appreciate you guys a lot. If you wanted to know, I appreciate you guys a lot. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this live stream today. We got some good progress done, which is nice. I always like getting some good progress done. But that's gonna end this off. I'll see you guys tomorrow again for the well, I'd call them daily live streams, but usually the weekends it's either a hit or miss type live stream, but I always live stream weekdays. Guys, so there you go. But hopefully you guys, you know, I mean, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, but hopefully you guys, if you don't see me until Christmas or after Christmas, hope you guys have a good Christmas. Spend time with your family. Appreciate them, you know, appreciate what you've got, and it could be worse somewhere else. But I'm not going to go into a sad conversation, but let's just end off this live stream now. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Remember to leave the like button, turn on bell notifications, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.